Imagine a factory in chaos. Machines break down, orders are late, and the team is pointing fingers. The plant manager, Sarah, is overwhelmed. Desperate for change, Sarah learns about Lean Kata, a scientific approach with two key parts: improvement kata and coaching kata. Sarah gathers her team and establishes a clear vision. Our goal is to ship every order on time, every time, with zero defects. The team faces reality by digging deep into the data. They find that 30% of orders are late due to machine jams. You can't improve what you don't measure. To combat the mess, Sarah sets a small goal: cut jams by 10% this week. The team tries better lubrication schedules and achieves a 12% drop in jams. Now as a coach, Sarah engages her team. What worked? What's next? This approach fosters ownership and collaboration, leading to a further 5% reduction in jams. 6 months later, on-time deliveries soared to 95%, defects are nearly eliminated, and Lean Kata is embraced organization-wide. It catalyzes change everywhere. From chaos to results, Lean Kata provides a roadmap. Set a vision, face reality, experiment, and coach. Now it's your turn. What's your first step?